Press the power button, and the pool robot's lights start flashing as it powers on. We lift the robot and gently place it into the water. We take out the remote control and press the wall clean button to start the cleaning process. The pool cleaning robot begins scrubbing along the pool walls, moving smoothly and thoroughly to remove dirt and debris. The video now highlights the armrest unlocking feature, showing how easily the armrest can be released with a simple motion. Next, the video demonstrates the stair escape function, as the robot smoothly climbs over the pool steps and continues cleaning without getting stuck. The robot now cleans along the curved pool wall, maintaining perfect balance and consistent suction while adapting to the changing surface. The robot moves steadily across the pool floor, cleaning every area with strong and even suction. After cleaning is complete, we lift the pool cleaning robot out of the water. Inside, the debris basket is filled with collected leaves, sand, and dirt. We remove the basket effortlessly, showing how easy it is to maintain and keep the robot ready for the next use. We rinse the debris basket under running water, and the dirt washes away instantly. The simple, open design makes cleaning quick and effortless, ensuring the robot is spotless and ready for its next pool cleaning session. We press the power button, and the pool robot's lights flash as it powers on and starts initializing. We open the mobile app and select the cleaning mode. We press the appropriate button on the cleaning float to select the desired cleaning mode, ensuring the robot starts the correct routine automatically. The cleaning float begins operating, moving smoothly across the water surface, while suctioning up floating debris, leaves, and other particles efficiently. Plugged in and powered through the AC/DC mode, the Purily pool cleaning robot comes to life. Using the mobile app, simply choose your cleaning mode, then place the robot gently into the water. It instantly begins its task, climbing the pool walls and scrubbing away dirt for a spotless, crystal clear pool. The Purily pool cleaning robot powers on, ready for action. Long press to activate the signal buoy mode, connecting seamlessly with the robot. Through the mobile app, link your device for smart control. Gently place both the robot and signal buoy into the pool that needs cleaning. From the app, select the ideal cleaning mode and watch as the Purily